What's going on, guys? In this video, we're gonna talk about Redbox. Once again, that's Redbox Entertainment Incorporated with the ticker symbol RDBX. So guys, in this video, we're gonna talk about the stats of Redbox, their SEC filings, and if it has anything to do with the current price spikes that Redbox has right now. Guys, if you like the information and analysis that I'll be providing in this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Let's get going. Redbox Entertainment, by the time this recording, is currently trading at $5.67. It's up almost 60% today, and also, if you check on Market Beat, it has a 5-day performance of 110.53%, a 1-month performance of 120.59%, and a 13 months performance of 13.21%. So guys, there's a lot of people tweeting about Redbox because of their gains, stuff like that. Even me, I'm curious what Redbox is, so this video is for you guys. We'll try to understand what's happening with Redbox. If it has something to do with their stats or new press release, we'll try to go into a deep dive with Redbox. Here you go. So regarding Redbox, we'll try to check different articles that has anything to do with Redbox. So the first thing that I see here is Redbox Entertainment expected to announce earnings of negative $1 per $1.06 per share. If we click into that, we will get to this article, ladies and gentlemen. It says here, Wall Street analysts forecast that Redbox Entertainment will announce earnings per share of negative 1.06 for the current quarter, Zacks reports. Two analysts have made estimates for Redbox earnings, with the highest earnings per share estimate coming to negative 0.67, and the lowest estimate is coming in at negative 1.44. Guys, that's one of the articles, and if we scroll up here, you can actually see that Redbox Entertainment rating lowered to sell at Zacks Investment Research. So these are smart money and they know what they're doing. This is definitely based on their current 10K filing. So if we read into this, it says here Redbox Entertainment was downgraded by Zacks Investment Research from a hold to a sell rating into a research report issued on Thursday, Zacks.com reports. According to Zacks, Redbox is an entertainment company. It offered digital streaming service which provides both and supported and paid movies from Hollywood studios and content partners, as well as channels of free ad-supported streaming television. With this downgrade rating by Zacks Investment Research, we'll try to go ahead and double check these with their current 10K filing. So in this downgrade report by Zacks, we'll try to double check this with their SEC filing. So if you go to the SEC filing, if you scroll down, the latest that they had was on 04/15, that's April 15 of this year. So ladies and gentlemen, this is for Redbox Entertainment. There you go. Okay, so if we click into that, okay, so what we're interested here is the revenue, expense, results of operation, their cash equivalents, shares outstanding, offering if there's any, warrants, convertible notes, stuff like that. So we'll try to double check that. So currently we have their total net revenue year after year. So we have from the year 2019, they have 858,000 worth of revenue, and it decreased from the year 2020, which is 546,191, and in 2021 it decreased a little bit more. In their 10K filing, they also said that absent the effects of COVID-19 pandemic in 2020 and 2021, the company has generally experienced seasonality in its rentals and revenue. Historically, greater demand over the holiday season typically results in higher rentals November through January. So they're saying that the decrease in revenue has something to do with seasonality. So it depends when the customers wants to actually rent their movies, stuff like that. So if we scroll down here a little bit further, we can see that their total change in cash equivalents, and restricted cash is only $9,551, as opposed to year 2020 of $1,549, and of course they're still owing in 2019. So guys, in layman's terms, there's a reason why Zacks Investment Research that lowered their rating to a sell. Now let's try to check one more article from Insider. It says here, Redbox CFO steps down amid Redbox stock short squeeze, what to know. So this article was done on April 26, 2022. It says stock is up 3% today in a volatile trading as the video rental company appears to be caught in a short squeeze. So if we scroll down and check on the article, this is from Markets Insider. It doesn't tell much, right? But it says here, this is a CFO and she steps down amid Redbox stock short squeeze. So guys, this is for entertainment purposes only, so we'll try to investigate what is the main job of a CFO. The primary job responsibility of the chief financial officer is to optimize the financial performance of a company, including its reporting, liquidity, and return of investment. This guide will answer the question of what does a CFO do. Now guys, let's keep in mind that this article was written on April 26. Okay, so since she is the CFO, definitely she's the one who were filing all the SEC filing. Okay, so let's go back to SEC and let's see what filing did she do on, before April 19. So April 26. Okay, so the latest one that she did is of course the 10K on April 15 and your 8K on April 19. So we'll try to double check this one. Maybe this will point us towards the direction of what exactly is happening on the stock. Now guys, this 13D, if you scroll down here, okay, so these are the current owners, okay, and they have their sole voting power. Okay, their shared voting power of 32,526,487. So meaning guys, they are the owners of the company. Okay, they're like the insiders, stuff like that. Okay, so stuff like this is not being discussed in the media as it might cause some stir. Okay, so 34,526,487. Now guys, I made a summary here. So according to their 10K filing filed on April 15, 2022, as of February 28, 2022, 12,618,516 shares of registrants Class A common stock per share and 32,770,000 shares of registrants B common stock, 0.001 par value per share were issued outstanding. So the total shares outstanding for the stock is 45,388,516 shares. Now guys, if we compare that with Webull, okay, so let me grab my Webull here. So according to Webull, the shares outstanding is 45.39 million, which is correct. Now guys, as of April 15, the CFO have filed a 13D filing. So if you guys might ask what is a 13D filing, the 13D is also known as the beneficial ownership report and is required when any owner acquires 5% of or more of the voting shares in a company. The report must be filled within 10 days of reaching the 5% threshold. It provides the following information. So I think I should take that out. Okay. So according to the SEC filing, their SEC filing, the reporting person's aggregate percentage beneficial ownership of total amount of Class A common stock outstanding is 76.1% based on the total 12,618,516 shares of Class A common stock and 32,770,000 shares of Class B common stock issued and outstanding as of February 28, 2022. So in summary, their shared voting power is 34,526,487 shares. Now guys, what I want to do here is I want to take this out of the total available shares. So 45,388,516 minus 34,526,487 leaves us with the 10,862,029 shares available for trading. Now, according to Fintel.io, so if we pull out Fintel.io, it tells us here that the short interest percentage of float is 43.25%. Okay, so if we remove that 43.25%, you multiply that by the number of available float. So I have 4,697,827.54 shares held by short sellers, meaning we have the remainder of 6,164,201.46 shares available for trading. So with the current volume that we have, it means that we are trading more than 15 times the available shares for trading. Also guys, please take note, according to Fintel.io, this specific security have zero institutional ownership, meaning no inter-institution have actually invested in this stock. So guys, it is safe to say that this is a possible short squeeze scenario, as according to Ortex, this has 100% utilization for the last 7 days, and it has a short volume ratio of 56.96, and everybody wants to get into this short squeeze ride. Now, key takeaways How long does a short seller have before covering? There are no set rules regarding how long a short sale can last before being closed out. The lender of the shorted shares can request that the shares be returned by the investor at any time with a minimal notice, but this rarely happens in practice so long as the short seller keeps paying their margin interest. A broker can force a short position to be closed if the stock rallies strongly, causing large losses and unmet margin calls. It is far more likely that the investor will close out the position before the lender will force the position closed. So, like I said, guys, this is a possible short squeeze scenario. There's a reason that the CFO might have stepped down from her position, right? As a CFO, there could be a mistake somewhere, right? I'm not saying that there is a mistake, but there is a possible mistake as far as the available shares for trading is concerned. So we will take a closer look into that. Now, guys, like I said earlier, the Redbox could be trading more than 15 times the available shares for trading, and also some stats that you are actually seeing in the trading software could be incorrect. So I think the best way is for you to investigate first before you start trading the security, or before you start investing. So I found a lot of information while investigating Redbox earlier. Now, as you guys can see, the MACD is still continuing to soar, so as well as your price, it is still continuing to soar. Now, also you can clearly see here in the RSI that we are overextended now, and we are now oversold. So definitely this price action will continue to will continue up until Monday, Tuesday, stuff like that, because as retail traders starts investigating what's going on with Redbox. Imagine, only 6 million shares available for trading, which is really small with the current price of Redbox right now at $5.98. I think it is one hell of a ride, right? So it's one hell of a ride. I think it's very cheap if you go into this trade just for the short squeeze experience. Now, in this price action, we have a gap to fill here because we gapped up, right? So somehow this part will be filled, but we don't know yet for sure. Like I said, the momentum is there, and retail traders as well as investors are still starting to pile up in this short squeeze scenario. Like I said earlier, this is not a growth play or an investment play. This is a short squeeze play, and a lot of people want to be in a situation like that. Although me personally, I would like to stay away from this, as I think that I am a little bit late in the game. One of my friends have actually asked me to go ahead and review Redbox, and I think I find this stock very interesting. Now, guys, if you like the information and analysis that I have provided to you in this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Once again, this is your boy Don Leo Trades. I love you all. Peace out.